How to set the temperature on an LG refrigerator. LG refrigerators come with the recommended temperature settings set by default. 37 degrees Fahrenheit for the refrigerator and 0 degrees Fahrenheit for the freezer. Now, we'll show you how to change them. LG French door and side-by-side refrigerators. LG French door and side-by-side refrigerators have a convenient model-specific control panel on the front for a variety of adjustments. To adjust the temperature settings, press the refrigerator or freezer button repeatedly to cycle through the available degrees one increment at a time. LG Wi-Fi capable refrigerators. For Wi-Fi capable refrigerators, you can change the temperatures using the LG mobile app. Not all refrigerators have this functionality. On the app, tap Refrigerator, then tap the Refrigerator tab once more. Scroll to adjust the temperature. Tap OK when finished and change to confirm. For all LG refrigerators, always change the setting one increment at a time and wait 24 hours for the temperature to stabilize before making additional adjustments.